Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can make a system update on your Gigaset GX6. For that, you want to go to your settings and then scroll down to system. And here you have a little menu and you want to click on system update and bright red, new version available, update information, so you directly see if there is a new version, a system update available for your phone. You can then download and install this. I'm not gonna do it right now because for time reasons. If you click on it, then it will ask for your permission to really do it. It will restart. Then you just have to put back in the pin for your SIM card, unlock your phone, and then you're ready to use it again. That's how you check and do system updates on your Gigaset GX6. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.